How can you cash out your Cash App balance to your bank account? So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, we will let you know that how can you transfer money from Cash App application to your personal bank account in any country you want. So I don't have any Cash App application or website available in my country because this is banned in my country. So I'm telling you all the genuine steps which you can follow and simply cash out your money from your Cash App application. Let's jump into the solution. So guys, what you have to do is just go on this URL I'm showing you, cash.app/account. And whenever you will go on it will demand you for a login. Just have to log in this. And the second step is to go on the left option, you will see money tab on the left top option of the screen on your Cash App application or website. You just have to click on the cash out under your cash balance. You will see all these options I'm telling you here right now. You can see all these options. If you do it consciously, you can see all the option on your screen. After that, you have to enter the desired amount you want to withdraw. And then fifth option, the last option, is to click on your bank. Select your bank. If you have not added any type of bank in your Cash App application, just go and add your bank account first. After that, select your bank account and deposit the money. Then click on the cash out application. So be aware that depending on your deposit speed, you may be subject to submit of fees. Like if you're transferring $100, so maybe you have to submit $1 or $1.50 or something. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.